I repeat, what on earth were you thinking? Were you playing games with us? You know, an approximation. So if your answer is, we only wanted to make sure, then you could have approximated a figure relatively close to the about 15 or so that you will present. Why say 100? What on earth was going through your mind? Were you trying to mislead the court? Were you trying to conduct trial by publicity? Senator Judges, pare-pareho tayong nasa politika. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin dito. Nagagaling yun sa inyo. Kaya huwag na kayong magpapagkapanggapan dyan. Irespeto nyo ang impeachment court. Huwag kayong mga atake personal. Malapit na talaga akong mag-privilege speech dito tungkol sa sub judice rule. Nagtatago kayo ha? Lumabas kayo dito. Huwag na kayong gamit pa ng kung ano-anong salita sa constitutional law. Hindi tayo maintindihan pagtatawanan tayo. Huwag mong gamitin yan. Kung hindi ka sigurado kung anong meaning yan. Kaya tayo tumatagal dito eh.